Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cream for tart, only way. Whisk egg yolks and sugar until pale, then slowly pour in warm cream while whisking constantly to temper. Cook gently over low heat, stirring until it thickens and coats the spoon. Strain the custard into a bowl, press plastic wrap directly on the surface, and chill thoroughly before whipping or using in your tart shell. In this video, I will show how to make cream for tart, only way. Start with high-quality dairy and real vanilla for the best flavor and texture. Measure ingredients precisely and warm the cream just enough to melt sugar, not to boil. Temper the yolks to prevent scrambling, cook to nap consistency, then chill completely. Proper cooling and gentle whipping create a silky, stable cream that holds up in your tart. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more baking tips. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum keeps floors clean while you proof dough and whip cream, and its voice control lets you call it hands-free during messy bakes. It's a small change that makes kitchen cleanup effortless. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make cream for tart, only way. Keep heat low and use a whisk to stir continuously so the mixture thickens evenly without graininess. Once it reaches coating thickness, remove from heat and cool in an ice bath to halt cooking instantly. Press plastic wrap on the surface to prevent skin, then refrigerate until fully cold. Gentle folding or light whipping after chilling preserves silkiness and structure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.